Hello traders, in this video I am going to be reviewing the one gold EA for both MT4 and MT5, and we'll be going through the MQL5 Marketplace page, the main features, some historical backtesting results, and I will share my overall thoughts on how the EA looks from a testing perspective. And before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, this is one gold EA developed by Stanislav Tomilov. The current version is 7.5, updated on April 1st, 2026. And at the time of recording, the EA is priced at 195 US dollars with 10 activations included. Now, the developer also mentions that there are only a few copies left at this price before it increases. And according to the page, the EA is specifically designed for trading XAUUSD, so gold only, and the recommended time frame here is H1. The page also mentions a minimum deposit of $100 for conservative mode, all right, while intensive mode with recovery functionality is recommended from around $500. The core idea behind this EA is the use of neural network plugins and data-driven analysis to monitor both historical and real-time gold market conditions. According to the developer, the system is designed to adapt to changing market behavior and identify patterns that may be difficult to manually detect during fast-moving conditions. One thing I do like here is that the setup looks fairly straightforward. The developer explains that most of the important values are already embedded directly into the EA itself, so there is no need to load external set files. All right. Basically, the trader mainly focuses on selecting the preferred risk level. Another feature mentioned here is the automatic risk leverage adaptation. So depending on the leverage available on the account, the EA can adjust risk exposure automatically. Okay. That can be useful for traders trying to balance position sizing more efficiently across different account conditions. The EA also includes a built-in news filter, and this can help pause trading activity before major economic announcements. For gold trading especially, news volatility can become aggressive very quickly, so having that option available may help reduce unnecessary exposure during unstable periods. All right, so there's also mention of prop firm compatibility. All right, when using lower risk settings, particularly for firms with stricter drawdown requirements like FTMO style evaluations. Of course, that still depends heavily on configuration, risk management, and the trader's own testing. Now, moving into the historical backtesting section, the developer states that the EA has been tested across more than 13 years of historical market data. And generally, longer term historical analysis can provide a broader understanding of how an EA reacts across different market environments, including trending and volatile conditions. Okay. So we are just going to be going to the strategy tester right now for MT5, and we are going to be testing the one gold EA on the recommended currency pair, which is XAUUSD, and on the recommended time frame, which is H1. Okay, so heading over here now. Okay, let's just select the one gold EA XAUUSD H1 time frame as recommended, and we are going to be testing from the beginning of this year, 1st January 2026 till date, so that we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. All right, and then for the delays, we're just going to be using the last ping to the server, and we're using the every tick modeling. Okay, So let's just begin the test immediately. So looking through the historical charts and testing behavior, you can see the EA is targeting short-term price movement. You can see a sell trade executed here, closed here, another one executed here, closed here, another one executed here, closed here, right? Short-term price movements. And we can see that this is another example. We can see that the EA is not, stacking trades, right? It's not stacking trades, and it's not aggressively hunting opportunities, right? Just waits for opportunities in the market and grabs them. So we can see that there is reasonable spacing between trades. All right. So basically, when opportunity shows up, then the EA executes the trade. Okay. Since gold can become highly volatile during strong momentum phases, it is important to pay attention to how the EA handles exposure, trade timing, and recovery behavior during those periods. Okay. We can also see that from the equity curve, there was a significant drawdown here, right? The equity curve is not looking that good, right? Because there were times when there was an increase, a consistent increase in the balance and equity, and then suddenly there was a consistent decrease, and then again we had a consistent increase and then a decrease. This is just a wave like movements in terms of the balance and equity. Anyways, let's head over to the actual backtest results, and let's see, right? The initial deposit is 3,000 US dollars, and the total net profit made was $1,730.77. We had 48 total trades taken. Short trades were 20 with 85% win rate. Long trades were 28 with 82.14% win rate. The largest profit trade was $1,248. The largest losing trade was $4,646.96. The average profit was $491.89, and the average loss was $2,243.13. Okay, so this explains what we saw happening here, right? This significant drawdowns, right? Because you will notice that the difference between the average profit and the average loss is quite much. In as much as the win rate is high, whenever there is a loss, it affects the balance and the equity significantly, because we can see, look at the difference between the largest profit and the largest loss. Look at the difference between the average profit and the average loss. So the high win rate explains the fact that there was a total net profit, a reasonable total net profit, but the size of the losses, explains the drawdown, right? So remember that these are historical backtest results. Okay. Personally, I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions, spreads, broker environments, and risk settings. Overall, One Gold EA seems focused on simplifying gold trading through automated analysis and adaptive market monitoring, while still giving traders customization flexibility through different optimization and risk settings. But as always, historical backtest performance should only be viewed as historical analysis, not a guarantee of future profitability. Okay, results can vary depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, leverage, market volatility, optimization settings, and overall risk configuration. So if you're interested in testing this EA, definitely spend time running your own backtests and demo evaluations first before considering any live usage. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.